How to reset a Snapchat Discover feed. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to reset a Snapchat Discover feed. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat application on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap profile icon at top left corner of the screen and then tap gear icon at top right corner to access your settings section. Scroll down and then find the option of ads. You will find it under privacy control. Select that. Now choose lifestyle and interest among these options and here you will get all your lifestyle and interest section. What you need to do is simply you have to select which topic you would like to see more on Snapchat and your Discover feed will be reset. You simply need to check mark it. If you don't wish, you can uncheck it as well. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to reset a Snapchat Discover feed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.